In next 5 minutes, I will show you a complete life cycle of a long bean plant. Let's see how to grow long bean from seed, how to germinate long bean seed, and how to care and grow long bean from seed to harvest. Let's see from day 1. To germinate long bean seed, I want to use paper towel method. For preparing your seeds for paper towel method, you have to wet them or moist them in water for at least 10 hours. There is the footage after 10 hours. Here I want to show you how to set up seeds in paper towel. After 10 hours of moisturizing seed, you need to set up the seeds into a paper towel. You can use paper towel or any type of cotton cloth. Then fold it and pack it in a airproof box. Within next 48 hours, your seeds will be germinated. Let's see the situation after 48 hours. You can see almost all the seeds are perfectly germinated. Now it's time to plant them. For planting long bean, it's better to use some small pots. Preparing seedling in different pot will help you in the transportation of the seedlings. So let's see how to plant them. For planting long bean seeds, you have to prepare some good quality soil preparation. As a preparation of soil, you can mix 70% of garden soil and 30% of organic compost. Then plant all the seeds one by one in every separate pots. Ensure that the rooted area of the seed must be under the soil and the seed surface will be visible from upper side. After planting the seeds, let's watering them regularly, but don't do it too much. Let's see after 3 days. There's the footage after 3 days. In this footage, you can see the situation of the seedlings. All the seedlings are perfectly growing. Keep them in full sunlighted area. This is make them healthy. Let's see when those seedlings are prepared for transplanting. That's the situation after day 10. And you can see all the seedlings of long bean plants are perfectly prepared for transplanting. In this time, you can plant them anywhere you want. You can plant them in your yard or you can also plant them in container. So let's see how to plant long bean seedlings. For planting a long bean seedlings, you have to prepare a big size container. You must prepare a container which consumes at least 20 kilograms of soil. I want to plant these seedlings in a grow bag, and this grow bag also consumes about 30 kilograms of soil. For preparing this soil, you have to mix up 80% of garden soil and 20% of organic compost. I already prepared the soil previously. So let's see how to plant them. Just remove the plastic pack and plant the seedlings with its root. In this time of planting, you can add a little bit of wood ash. Wood ash can prevent your seedlings from almost any kind of root affected disease. Now add some water. In this stage, your work is done. Now let's see the situation after day 20. You can see this plant is growing perfectly. and a lots of green leaves are growing in this small seedling. In this stage, you can add a little bit of extra organic fertilizer to boost up their growth. Just add 3 or 4 teaspoons of natural compost. This is the footage after day 40, and our plant is already start fruiting and flowering. You can see some young long bean fruits in this plant. Within 1 or 2 weeks, those long beans will be harvestable. In this stage of long bean plantation or long bean plant care, you have to spray some pesticides and fungicides to protect your plant from any type of pest, insect and fungal attack. As an organic pesticide, you can spray neem oil, or as an organic fungicide, you can spray turmeric powder in interval of every 15 days. These two items will save your plant from almost all type of insect, pest and fungal disease. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the full video.